In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a loan on Revolut step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check, how to apply, and what to do if something gets in the way. First, check whether loans are offered in your country. Revolut only provides lending in select regions, and availability can change. Open the app and look for loans in the hub or use the search bar. If you don't see the option, it usually means loans aren't available for your location or account type yet. Make sure your app is updated and that your residency details in your profile are correct, since eligibility is tied to where you live. Next, confirm you meet the basic eligibility criteria. You'll typically need to be an adult resident in a supported country with a fully verified Revolut account. Revolut may assess your credit history and income, so be ready to consent to a credit check and provide accurate employment and income information. A good tip here is to complete identity verification, keep your personal details up to date, and ensure your account activity reflects stable finances. When you're ready, start the application in the app. Tap Loans, choose the loan amount and the repayment term, and select the purpose if prompted. The app will guide you through any required details such as your employment status and monthly income. In some regions, Revolut can pre-fill data based on your account history to speed things up. Submit the application and wait for the on-screen decision. If you're approved, carefully review the offer. Check the APR, the total amount payable, the monthly repayment, the term length, and any fees. Look for information on early repayment, late payment charges, and whether the rate is fixed. Use the sliders to adjust the amount or term and see how the monthly cost and total interest change. Make sure the repayment comfortably fits your budget before proceeding. Read the agreement so you understand the conditions and your responsibilities. Once you're happy, accept the offer and sign electronically. Funds typically arrive in your Revolut balance quickly. Set up automatic repayments from your chosen account, confirm the due date, and enable reminders. Keeping enough money in your account on the due date helps you avoid missed payments and fees. If something blocks approval, don't worry. Common issues include unsupported regions, incomplete verification, limited credit history, or requesting too much. Complete your profile checks, correct any personal details, try a smaller amount or a longer term, and clear existing debts if possible. Give it some time before reapplying and use in-app support for guidance. While support can't override a decision, they can explain requirements and help you prepare for a successful application later.